Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook 2 Exercise 12.2 Question number 8. Show that negation of P conjunction Q is equivalent to negation of P disconjunction of negation Q. Here first P and Q will fill it. True, true, false, false. You can write true, false for Q. P intersection Q, that is P conjunction Q. P conjunction Q is true, true and true is true, true false is false, false true is false, false and false is false. Negation of this is negation of P conjunction Q is false, true, true, true. Negation of P, here P is true, true, false, false, then false, false, true, true. Negation of Q is true, false is false, true, false, true. Then both disconjunction, false and false, false, false and true is true, true and false is true, true and true is true. Now from column, that means from column 4, 1, 2, 3, this column 4 and column 7 is similar, FF, TT, TT. Therefore, from column 4 and 7 are similar. Therefore, we can see negation of P conjunction Q is similar to negation of P disconjunction of negation of Q. Second part of the question here. Second part of the question is here negation of P tends Q. Similar to P conjunction negation of Q. Now we will fill for P true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. Negation of Q, negate Q is here, T is there, false, true, false, true. P tends to Q. Here P tends to Q is T tends T is T, T tends false is false, false tends to T is true, false tends true. Then here negation of P tends to Q, this negation is false, true, false, false. Here next P conjunction negation Q, P conjunction negation Q, T and F false, then same T and F, true and true is true, false. Here P negation of Q is false and false is false, false and true is false. From the column this 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth and sixth columns are similar. From column 5 and 6 are similar. We can see that from column 6 and 7, 5 and 6 are similar. Therefore, we can write the statement negation of P Q tends Q similar P conjunction negation Q. Question number 9. Prove that Q tends P is similar to negation of P tends to negation of Q. P is true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. Q tends to P. Q tends to P is true, false to true is true, true to false is false, false, false is true. The negation of P is, you have to negate P is false, false, true, true. Then negation of Q is false, true, false, true. Then negation of P, negation of Q is true, false, false, true. Then false, true is true, true, false is false, and true, true is true. Here Q tends to be column 3 and column 6 is similar. Column 3 and column 6 are columns 3 and 5. Column 3 and 5 are similar. Therefore, you can say Q tends P is similar to negation P tends to negation Q. Then 10th one, show that P tends Q and Q tends P are not equivalent. Here true, true, false, false. We can write true, false, true, false. Here true tends to true is true, true tends false is false, false tends to true is true, false, false is true. Now Q tends to this way is true tends to true is true, false, false tends to true is true, and true tends to false is false, and false tends to false is true. Here look at these two columns, that is column 4 and column 5, column 3 and column 4 are not equal. Column 3 and column 4 are not similar. Therefore, we can say P tends Q and Q tends P are not equivalent or not equivalent. Then question number 11, show that negation of P if and only if Q is similar to P only if and one only negation Q, that is true, true, false, false. Q is true, false, true, false. P is true and true, 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 false, 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 true, false, 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 true. Then negation of this one is here, negation of this column here, false, true, true, false. Then negation of Q is, this negation of Q is false, true, false, true. Then here P and negation of Q, this column and this column, if and only if you have to do T and F is F, here T, T and F. Here this column and this column are identical, that is column 4 and 6. Column 4 and column 6 are similar or identical. Then we can see the truth here, P of Q is similar to P if and only if negation Q. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.